Now children, we will find out the square root of numbers which are not perfect squares. Means we have to find the square root of those numbers that are not perfect squares, but even then also we have to find the square root of that number. So how we will find, children? Let us see. If the square root is required, correct up to 2 places of decimal. We shall find at up to 3 places of decimal. Means अगर आपसे 2 places of decimal तक का square root निकालने के लिए बोला है, then we have to find it up to 3 places of decimal, and then we have to round it off up to 2 places. Means 3 places find out करके we have to round it off up to 2 places. Clear? So that in this question, let us see, you have to find out the square root of 24.789. This is not a perfect square, but then also we have to find the square root. So we will in the question it has written correct to 2 places of decimal, but we will find up to 3 places of decimal. Okay, then we will round off it and make it into 2 places of decimal. Clear? So let us see, we have to find it up to 3 places. Okay, but so in this we have to find it up to 2 places of decimal, but we will find up to 3 places of decimal. So 24.789 3 places of decimal से आपका मतलब है कि 3 places तो हैं, ये 3 places नहीं, we will make 3 pairs. Okay, 3 pairs बनाने हैं हमको, जैसे हम इसमें बनाते थे डिवीजन मेथड में. Okay, we will find the square root up to 3 decimal places by making 3 pairs, 3 decimal pairs. So we will put 3 zeros here from the right hand side. Okay, I have told you before also that if they are not in even number, means they are odd number, 3 digits are there, so we have to make them odd even numbers. Okay, so 2 का पेयर हो जाएगा, इधर से 2 का पेयर एंड इधर से 2 का पेयर. Then only we can find it up to 3 decimal places, because 6 digits होंगी, because 1 पेयर हम 1 बार में नोट कर. Now so 24.789000, it will become 3 pairs. 3 pairs we have made by adding 3 zeros here. Okay, 1 pair of 00, 1 pair of 90, and 1 pair of 78. So we will divide it. 4 4s are 16, so 24 minus 16, it will 8. Then 4 plus 4 again 8. Then 89 9s are, first we have to place the decimal. Okay, after 24, don't forget to put decimal. Then 89 9s will be 801, it will become 77 will be left. Then bring 90 as a whole. Then 89 plus 9 will be 98. Then 98 987, 7s the children will be 6909. Then what is left? 881. Then we will bring this 00 as a whole. Then again plus add them. 987 plus 7 will be 994. Okay, again from 8 is going, so it will become 79,584. So this is the remainder left. So we have to do nothing with the remainder. Okay, forget about the remainder, we just have to see a question which is up to 3 places of decimal. So in this question has been asked to round off the figure up to, see here, 2 places of decimal. Okay, so but we have to find out up to 3. जितना भी क्वेश्चन में पूछा है, you have to find it 1 more digit. Okay, 2 पूछा है तो you have to find up to 3 places. 3 पूछा है तो you have to find up to 4. 4 पूछा है तो you have to find up to 5 places. Okay, and so on. Now we will round off. 3 places तो हमसे पूछ ही नहीं है, we have asked for 2 places, तो we will round off. Round off you know 2 places है तो लास्ट की डिजिट राउंड ऑफ कर देंगे चिल्ड्रन. 8 विल बी राउंड ऑफ, तो देन दिस इज ग्रेटर देन 5. राउंडिंग ऑफ सबको आती है, सो इट विल बिकम 8. 7 हमारा राउंड ऑफ होके यहाँ 8 हो जाएगा, तो 4.98. आफ्टर राउंडिंग ऑफ 4.98 इज द स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 24.789. क्लियर? Now let us see one question from your book. Evaluate root 2 up to 2 places of decimal. So root 2 आपको round off करना है till 2 places they have asked, but we will do till 3 places. Okay, 1 extra, then we will after that round off. So how many zeros we will put? 1 2 3 4 and 5 6. So 3 pairs बनाने हैं because हमको 3 places तक चाहिए. So we will put 6 zeros. So then it will become 3 pairs because 2 is a whole number. There is no decimal value given. So 1 ones are 1, 2 minus 1 1 again, then 0 0 will be bring down, then 1 plus 1 2, and then 24 fours are. Before that place decimal. Okay, 24 fours are will be 96, then 4 is the remainder left, then bring 0 as a whole, again 24 plus 4 again 28, then 281 ones are will be 281, then what is left 119, then again bring 2 zeros down, then 281 plus 1 again 282, then 2824 से डिवाइड हो रहा है 4 टाइम्स एंड रिमाइंडर इज लेफ्ट दिस. ओके, सो 1.414 we have find till 3 places. Okay, then we will leave it. Now we have to round off children. This is 4, so it is less than 5. So जब less than 5 होता है तो ये वाली डिजिट सेम रहती है, रिमेंबर. सो इट विल ओनली 1.41. ये 2 नहीं होगा बिकॉज यहाँ पे हमारा 8 था, मीन्स 5 से ग्रेटर था, तो ये हमारा एक डिजिट प्लस हुआ था इसमें. बट हेयर इट इज 5, 4 इज लेस देन 5, सो ये राउंड ऑफ नहीं होगा. इट विल रिमेन 1 ओनली. सो 1.41 आफ्टर राउंडिंग ऑफ इज द स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 2. क्लियर चिल्ड्रन? Now let us see. So in this way you have to do children this third and fourth question yourself. Okay, let us see fifth question. Find the length of each side of a square whose area is equal to the area of a rectangle of length 13.6 meters and breadth 3.4 meters. So children, first you have to find out the area of a rectangle, that is length into breadth. So you will multiply 13.6 into 3.4. तो एरिया आ जाएगा आपका. इन्होंने कहा है एरिया ऑफ अ स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू द एरिया ऑफ अ रेक्टेंगल. तो जो इस एरिया रेक्टेंगल का है वो ही एरिया स्क्वायर का होगा. क्लियर? बिकॉज दे आर इक्वल, सो वो ही एरिया होगा. सपोज मल्टीप्लाई करके जो भी आपका आंसर आएगा, सो यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट द साइड. सो फॉर्मूला ऑफ एरिया इज साइड इनटू साइड ऑफ अ स्क्वायर. देन एरिया आपको फाइंड आउट हो जाएगा आफ्टर डूइंग मल्टीप्लिकेशन. देन स्क्वायर एस स्क्वायर हो जाएगा. सो यू हैव टू फाइंड द स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ दिस नंबर. ओके, इसका स्क्वायर रूट फाइंड आउट करना है. क्लियर? देन यू विल गॉट द फाइनल आंसर. नाउ सी द सिक्स्थ क्वेश्चन. इफ अंडर रूट 1 plus 27 upon 169. Okay, this we will do children afterwards because till here only you have to do, otherwise you will get confused if I explain you the square root of fractions also, because still from sixth question onwards you have to find out the square root of fractions. Okay, till now they were the in decimal. So if I explain you this fraction also you will get confused. So first of all do these only. Okay, hope you all have understood the topic, so you can do the questions yourself. Clear?